Hello and welcome to this new lesson. This is the Education Engineering team, and today we will teach you how to download the software requirements of this course, which is Arduino IDE. First, you must go and search for Arduino IDE using Google or Bing. The first result is the Arduino.cc, which is the official Arduino website. You can either use the Arduino web editor without installing any software, or you can download the Arduino IDE. Now, depending on your operating system, you must choose one of these: Windows, Mac, or Linux. For my case, it's Windows installer. Now it's asking you to donate, or you can just download. Click on save, and you have to wait about 3 minutes for the download to finish. Now let's see the Arduino website. It offers a lot of products, as you can see here. You can purchase any of these items from the official Arduino website. These items include Arduino boards, Arduino kits, and a lot of other interesting stuff. Now let's see the other kits category. As you can see, this kit, this is a robot kit. It has a very interesting collection. You can also buy Arduino boards or Arduino shields. Let's look at boards and modules and see how much each of these boards might cost you. This is the official place to buy Arduino boards. You need to make sure that you are not buying from places that offer fake Arduino boards or Arduino boards that are not manufactured by the original Arduino company. Takes forever to. Can also check their learning section for tutorials, reference, and things, new things to learn. As you can see, here is the boards. The entry level has Ono, Leonardo, and starter kit, Nano, Mini, Micro. The enhanced feature has the Mega. The Internet of Things has other, GSM Shield, the wearables for making, let's say, a smartwatch, the 3D printing section for making a 3D printer. Let's see the Ono and the Mega. This is Arduino Materia 101 assembled 3D printer. As you can see, it looks nice. It will cost you around $700. You can also see the Arduino Uno board. It will cost you $24 or $25. Arduino Uno, as you can see, this is the original stuff. Now, in order to know if your board is original or not, you can flip it. If it's assembled in USA or Germany, then it's original. The ones that are assembled in China are not created by the official Arduino company. It's created by Arduino Associates, and it must cost less, around $10 to $12. I already purchased such boards. They are not, they doesn't have the same quality as the ones manufactured in USA. Okay, now let's see the Arduino finished downloading. Let's run the download. Arduino is already installed, so you have to uninstall the one that you have. Okay, let me see. you have to close any instance of Arduino Uno that you have opened, then uninstall the previous version. As you can see, it's removing the files. If you already have Arduino installed in your computer, you need to update it to the latest version. If you already have the latest version, then please skip this lesson, click on next, install. As you can see, the installation just started. It won't take long. You can check our resources section in this course to download the code and the material, to get links for the hardware material. Okay. Okay, now hit close, then go to the start menu, go to the A letter, then choose Arduino. This is our main Arduino IDE. Now, to make a quick overview, this is the button that you must click to verify that your code is written correctly. This one is used to verify and upload the code to your Arduino. These are for open and save. This is to create a new file. As you can see, when you create a new file, you have two main methods, the setup and the loop. The setup for your setup code, the loop is for your code that will run repeatedly. The file is common sense. Sketch is used to upload, verify the code, or add new libraries. The tools is used to choose the board, get the board info, choose the programmer, burn a bootloader, which is an advanced topic in Arduino, open the serial monitor or serial plotter, fix the encoding of the code, or auto format it. Help is where you can find things you are looking for its answers. Now you can check examples: basic, digital, analog, communication, control, sensors, display. Let's see that we want a basic example for blinking LED. As you can see, this is a blinking LED example. It's very simple, straightforward. It's commented so that you can understand what's happening and what's going on. So that's why Arduino is very popular, because it provides an amazing support. That's it for this lesson. If you have any question, please ask in the Q&A board. Thanks for watching. Wish you happy learning. This is Educational Engineering Team.